So to make your own coat rack, you just need to find a piece of timber that's lying around, something that is of interest to you, something with a bit of character, preferably hardwood and preferably recycled timber. That's basically all you need to get started. So we recommend that you come in from the ends around about 6 centimeters to the center of the coat rack. Okay, then you just make the rest of them equidistant in between, like that. Okay, just equidistant in between them all. And you need to put 2 screws into them, and generally the thickness of the timber we recommend around about 2 centimeters. Okay, and then on the back of it, you can, if you order a coat rack from us, you get keyholes that we already drill into them. But if you don't have that, you can also use a thing called an alligator clip. Okay, it's got sawtooth on the bottom here, and it kind of goes at the top of it, just like that. One either end, and the same, and make sure that it's level, the same distance down from the top. Now with your alligator clips on the back, so you can hang it on your wall, again you come in about 6 centimeters and down about 2 centimeters. They've got 2 holes in it. You drill a hole and you get your screw and a screwdriver drill. And away you go. And there it is there. Okay, it's as simple as that. So for the installation of your hooks, you come in your 6 centimeters, and there's already pre-drilled holes in the hooks. So you put it there, get it nice and even, exactly where you want it. You get your trusty drill and just drill a hole. Don't go all the way through, and you just get a screw and you put the screw in there. That's it. Okay, that's it. But you've got to put 2 screws in, okay?